Hi, I'm Chris Bagwell. This is my math quiz for CTI 365 .NET program, or CTE. BYU, Idaho. This is the math quiz. I'm going to run through it twice to show you how it works, but we have my name, math quiz, today's date, and then time left, and then the questions. So I'm going to start the quiz. So you have 30 seconds, and I'm going to explain. I could, do some of the, like, 16 divided by 4 is 4, and when I get a right answer, I turn screen and there's a little tone that happens. 14. What was that? 89. And then when it's wrong though, it's hit down to the wrong answer. It's red, and here it's green, and then it's going to time out here and say you didn't finish in time. And then it gets the answer. And each time it does that tone. So I'm going to start the quiz again. Here's doing that. 5 plus that is 42. 29. We'll do this one real quickly. That's that. And that's that. And then that would be 17. You got all of them right. So there's it working. I'm going to go ahead and stop it. So there's the CS code for it, the .cs. I stuck with what the tutorial said for the most part. I even got the comments that was going on in there. But when it comes to the customization part, is where I changed it up a bit. So the check answer there, the timer check uses the check answer, and it's where the time up happens. So here the value changed. I was able to get into the back color, changed it to a lime color, and play the sound from the system sound beep. And then I say, well, if it's not the answer, then we'll make it red. And then do that for each of the quizzes there. And that's what my customization is. So yeah, there you have it.